Greetings and welcome to English Stories, our channel dedicated to inspiring stories. Today, we bring you a tale that will remain etched in your memory, a journey of setbacks, resilience, and extraordinary triumph. This is the story of Thomas Alva Edison, the visionary who illuminated the world in the truest sense. From a curious child to one of history's greatest inventors, his life offers lessons that will motivate you to persevere, no matter how challenging the path. If you've ever felt defeated by repeated failures, this narrative will demonstrate that each stumble is merely a step toward victory. So, let's embark on the remarkable journey of Thomas Edison. Born on February 11, 1847, in Milan, Ohio, Edison was the youngest of 7 siblings, yet he was distinctly different from the start. Unlike his peers, young Thomas was insatiably curious, constantly questioning the world around him. Why does the sun glow? How do birds soar? What makes a clock tick? His teachers, however, viewed his inquisitiveness as a flaw. One day, a frustrated teacher told his mother, "Thomas is too scattered to learn like other children." Imagine being told you're incapable of learning. Most would lose hope, but not Thomas. His mother, Nancy Edison, rejected the teacher's judgment. She withdrew him from school and took it upon herself to educate him. Nancy reassured her son, "Thomas, you're not slow, you're exceptional. You see things differently, and one day, you'll prove your brilliance to the world." Her words ignited a spark in Thomas's soul. Years later, he reflected, "My mother shaped who I am. Her unwavering belief in me gave me someone to strive for, someone I couldn't let down." But there's a lesser-known twist. Long after his mother's passing, Edison discovered an old letter from his school. It read, "Your son is mentally deficient and unfit for education. He is no longer welcome here." His mother had shielded him from this harsh verdict, instead telling him, "Thomas, you're too brilliant for that school. They lack teachers wise enough to guide you." That protective lie fueled his confidence to push forward when others doubted him. How many of us have someone who believes in us so fiercely? At home, Nancy set up a small learning space for her son, stocked with books to fuel his curiosity. Young Thomas soon fell in love with science. By age 10, he had created a makeshift laboratory in the family basement, where he spent hours experimenting with chemicals, often causing odd odors or small explosions. But Thomas wasn't just a budding scientist, he was also a young entrepreneur. At 12, he began selling newspapers, snacks, and candies on trains to contribute to the family's income. Even while working, he carried his experiments along, setting up a tiny lab in a train's baggage car. One day, an experiment sparked a fire on the train. The furious conductor threw him off, but this setback didn't deter Thomas. Around this time, he began losing his hearing, possibly due to scarlet fever or an incident where a conductor yanked him onto a moving train by his ears. Regardless of the cause, Edison became partially deaf. Rather than despair, he saw it as an advantage, saying, "My hearing loss shielded me from distractions, letting me focus entirely on my work." While working as a telegraph operator, Edison heroically saved a 3-year-old from a runaway train. The boy's grateful father, also a telegraph operator, taught Thomas how to master the telegraph machine. This skill became a pivotal moment, providing him a livelihood while he pursued his experiments. Edison's early inventions, however, flopped. His first creation, an electric vote counter, found no buyers despite months of effort. Instead of giving up, he learned a vital lesson: always invent what people need. He began studying the world closely, seeking problems to solve. At one point, poverty forced him to sleep in a friend's office basement, yet his faith in himself never wavered. He often said, "The surest way to fail is to quit. Success comes to those who try one more time." Edison's first major breakthrough came when he enhanced the stock ticker, a device used in financial markets. This earned him $40,000, a massive sum at the time, allowing him to establish his first laboratory in Menlo Park, New Jersey. This was where his genius truly began to shine. Edison worked tirelessly, often resting just a few hours. He didn't rely on luck but on effort, famously stating, "Genius is 1% inspiration and 99% hard work." At Menlo Park, his invention factory, Edison and his team toiled relentlessly to create the electric light bulb, a device that would transform the world. The path was grueling, with over 1,000 experiments to find the right filament material. Each failure could have crushed his spirit, but Edison remained undaunted. When questioned about these setbacks, he remarked, "I haven't failed. I've discovered 10,000 ways that don't work." This perspective, viewing failure as progress, defined his greatness. In 1879, after years of perseverance, Edison succeeded. He developed a light bulb that glowed for 13.5 hours, an unprecedented achievement. The joy and pride he felt must have been immense. But Edison's vision extended beyond the bulb. He wanted to light up homes, streets, and cities worldwide. In 1882, he built the first electric power station in New York City. When it was activated, hundreds of homes glowed with electric light for the first time, replacing candles and gas lamps. Edison hadn't just invented a device, he had revolutionized how people lived. Amid his world-changing work, Edison faced personal hardships. His first wife, Mary Stilwell, whom he married in 1871, died unexpectedly in 1884 at age 29. Her loss devastated him, as he loved her deeply. Yet, even in grief, Edison pressed on, channeling his pain into his work. He once said, "When you've tried every option, remember, there's always another way." 2 years later, he married Mina Miller, a woman 19 years his junior. Mina became his steadfast partner, offering love and support. Together, they raised 3 children, adding to the 3 from his first marriage. His children recalled him as a caring but busy father, always encouraging their curiosity. Edison's quest to electrify the world wasn't without obstacles. He faced the War of the Currents, a fierce rivalry with his former employee, Nikola Tesla, who promoted alternating current, AC, while Edison championed direct current, DC. Edison fiercely defended his system, even demonstrating AC's dangers publicly. Ultimately, AC became the standard, but this defeat didn't diminish Edison's legacy. He continued inventing, proving that setbacks couldn't stop him. In 1877, Edison unveiled the phonograph, the first device to record and replay sound. The world was awestruck, dubbing him the Wizard of Menlo Park. Edison called it his favorite invention, as it brought joy to millions and laid the groundwork for today's music and entertainment industries. In 1914, disaster struck when a massive fire destroyed his laboratory, wiping out years of work and millions in equipment. At 67, Edison watched his life's work burn. Yet, he told his son, "Bring your mother and her friends, they'll never see a fire like this again." The next day, he began rebuilding, saying, "I'm too old to cry, but never too old to start anew." This resilience cemented his legend. Edison filed over 1,000 patents in his lifetime and forged a close friendship with Henry Ford, the automobile pioneer. They inspired each other. All it took was the willingness to work hard, learn from failure, and keep believing in oneself. 1. Embrace failure. Edison's journey teaches us that failure is not the end, it's a stepping stone to success. Every failure is a lesson that brings us closer to our goals. Work hard, there are no shortcuts to success. Edison's tireless work ethic is a reminder that dedication and effort are the keys to achieving greatness. 3. Stay curious. Edison never stopped learning or experimenting. His curiosity drove him to explore new ideas and pushed the boundaries of what was possible. Never give up, whether it was creating the light bulb or rebuilding after a fire. Edison's persistence was unshakable. He never let setbacks stop him. His story isn't just about a man who invented the light bulb, it's about a man who lit up the world with his ideas, his passion, and his unbreakable spirit. Today, more than 90 years after his death, Edison's legacy continues to shine. Every time we flip a light switch, listen to music, or watch a movie, we are reminded of the man who made it all possible. As we reach the end of Thomas Edison's extraordinary story, I want you to take a moment and reflect on your own life. Edison's journey wasn't easy. He faced rejection, failure, criticism, and obstacles that would make most people give up. But he didn't. He kept going, and because of that, he changed the world. Now, I ask you, what's stopping you from chasing your dreams? Maybe it's fear of failure. Maybe it's the doubt planted by others, or maybe it's that voice in your head telling you you're not good enough. Let me tell you something powerful. Edison was once just a boy with dreams and determination. He didn't wait for the world to believe in him, he believed in himself. You may think the journey is too hard, that your goals are too big. But ask yourself, would you rather live a life of regret, wondering what could have been, or would you rather fight for the life you've always dreamed of? Thomas Edison proved that ordinary people can do extraordinary things if they refuse to give up. If you work hard, stay curious, and keep moving forward, nothing can stop you. The world is waiting for your light. The question is, are you ready to shine? Right now, someone out there is achieving the dream you've been putting off. They're not smarter than you. They're not luckier than you. They simply started. So start today. Start small, but start. Push through the fear, ignore the doubts, and remember that every great achievement begins with a single step. Edison once said, "Opportunity is missed by most people because it is dressed in overalls and looks like work." So roll up your sleeves, embrace the work, and create your opportunity. Your success is waiting for you. The light bulb wasn't just Edison's invention, it was his message to the world. Even in darkness, there is a spark of hope. Be the light. Keep fighting, keep dreaming, and remember, you were born to shine.